Hello dear student. Now today we will discuss about that nomenclature of that amines are there. Nomenclature we can follow that common as well as that IUPAC type of that system. So for that amine purpose we use that IUPAC system. Now our general rules of this IUPAC system are as common, just like that select the longest and continuous chain. Then numbering should start from that the functional group of that amines, that is NH, NH2 or N will be there, correct? And if alkyl groups are repeated 2 times, then refer as di, 3 times tri, 4 times tetra will be there, correct? And one basic rule in which that the parent alkane in that given amine, so that the word E is replaced by that the word amine. We said last alkane having this word, that is parent alkane having this word E, is replaced by that word amine. So that is alkane amine are that the preference for that the IUPAC system should be. So simple, we can get the example of that. Suppose that is CH3 NH2 is there. So in common system it is called as a methyl amine. But in case of that IUPAC system, this is a methane is a parent alkane is there. And this word E is replaced by that amine. So that's why that is methanamine is applied for it. Similarly, suppose that higher member that CH3, that is CH2 NH2. Again, this group is a ethyl group is there. So its name is ethylamine. But in case of that IUPAC system, that is ethane E word is replaced and its name is that ethanamine is there. Suppose we can add this, that is CH3, this CH and this NH2 and then CH3 will be there. So again this NH2, this functional group is in that the branch form. So numbering should be there. So 1, 2, 3. So we can get that 3 carbon. So it's a parent alkane is that propane. And this propane having E word is applied. And see that this 2 number carries this amine. So it is propane 2 and then amine. This is a reference of this. So this commonly, these all having that primary types of amines will be there. Now similarly, that naming should for that, it's a secondary amine is also, we can given names of this. So in case of that secondary amine, suppose we can draw like that is CH3, this NH and then CH2, C2H5 will be there. So in this case what we can get that, this is a smaller alkyl group and this is a larger alkyl group. So larger alkyl group is considered as a parent alkane. And smaller alkyl group is considered as that, it's a alkyl group will be there. So it's a simple name, that is, it is called as that methyl. And this 2 carbon, so it's a parent alkane is that ethane. And this word ethanamine is applied for it. So methyl ethanamine is also applied for it. So in this new system that capital N should be applied also for that. So it doesn't matter for it. Suppose I can say that this is CH3, then NH. And then again I can say that is CH2, CH2 and CH3. Suppose it will be drawn into it. Again this is a alkyl group, smaller alkyl group, so it is again methyl. And then it's a propanamine. So it is a simple part of this. Suppose again we can draw this one side is that in the aromatic form, that is benzene ring, NH and that C2H5 will be there. So remember that this aromatic or that it's a aryl ring is considered as a substituent and this ethane, that is 2 carbons are there, it is considered as a parent alkane. So its a name is that it's a phenyl and then these 2 carbons will be there, so it is a ethanamine. So phenyl ethanamine is a simple IUPAC name of this. So this all having this NH, so definitely it is a secondary types of that amines are there. Now similarly we can for that tertiary amine also we can draw into. Suppose we can like this. So that is CH3, this N, then CH3, again this CH3. So it is simply common name is that it is a trimethylamine or it is also called as that it is a 2 groups are substituent. So it is a dimethyl and that methanamine. It is also that IUPAC name of it, methanamine. Correct? Or maybe that different alkyl groups are there. That is CH3, this N, then CH3 and suppose this C2H5 will be there. So now this C2H5, it is a larger alkyl group, so it is considered as a parent alkane and its a name is given, it is dimethyl and then ethanamine. This is the IUPAC name of that. system. So we can apply using this, we can give in that names of it. Common as well as IUPAC name, both are to be applied for it. In the board examination, that question may be asked, maybe in that the common system also there, and it's a IUPAC system will be there. So mostly our examples are belonging to ethylamine or that ethanamines, maybe preparation as well as that it's IUPAC names or that chemical reactions also belonging to that ethylamine. So we are focusing on that the ethylamine. Thank you.